How do we write 0.037 as a fraction? Here, we will try to see how we can write decimal fractions as fractions. To write it as a fraction, there are only two things we need. First, the numerator, and second, the denominator. Writing the numerator is extremely simple. We just write the decimal fraction without the decimal point. Without the decimal point, we write it as 37. And in the denominator, we write a 1 followed by zeros. We write a 1 here followed by zeros. But the important question is, how many zeros? The number of zeros we write after the 1 is simply equal to the number of decimal places. There are 3 decimal places here: tenths, hundredths, and thousands. So we add 3 zeros. There you go, that's your fraction. 0.037 can be written as 37 by 1000. Let's try out another example. Note that this is pretty much all you need to know to convert decimal fractions to fractions. How do you write 0.2850 as a fraction? Look at the first step. We write the numerator without the decimal point of the decimal fraction. We write a 2850 as our numerator. In the denominator, we write a 1 followed by zeros. The number of zeros we write here will be equal to the number of decimal places in the decimal fraction. As there are 4 decimal places, we write 4 zeros after the 1. That's your fraction, 2850 by 10,000. If we view 0.2850 as 0.285, then we can write the fraction as 285 by 1000, which is an equivalent of this fraction. Now let's try to write 4.343 as a fraction. The numerator will be 4343, and as there are 3 decimal places, we divide this by 1000. Actually, there's another way to write this as a fraction. We write the integral part separately, which is 4, and then we write 0.343 as a fraction. That can be written as 343 by 1000. This becomes the mixed fraction form. This is the whole part and this is the proper fraction part. If you convert this mixed fraction to an improper one, you will get 4343 by 1000. But how do we actually understand all this? Look at the decimal fraction, 4.343. Based on decimal places, this is how we can write it. 4 in the ones place, 3 in the tenths place, 4 in the hundredths place, and 3 in the thousandths place. Solving this further, this is what we get. 4 is the integral part, and the decimal part was written like this. And solving this further, we get 4 plus 343 by 1000, and this is the mixed fraction for 343 by 1000. If you add these two, you will get 4343 by 1000.